The jury returned a split verdict in the trial of the man accused of shooting a federal judge. The Now Detroit's Dave Llewellyn live in our downtown studio with the jury's decision that surprised some people in the courtroom. Dave?
Yeah, it did, Stephen. Kevin Smith is facing lengthy prison time, but he escaped the additional charges in the shooting of federal judge Terrence Berg outside his home in northwest Detroit.
A robbery armed complainant, Terrence Berg, not guilty.
The jury acquitted Kevin Smith of two of the charges involving federal judge Terrence Berg, who was shot outside his home on March 5th of last year during an attempted robbery. During his testimony, the judge said he could not positively identify the 23-year-old suspect as the man who shot him in the leg that night.
I believe that there was an issue with regard to identification. I did my best to bring it out. It was successful.
The judge's wife, Anita Sevier, was in the courtroom as the verdict was read.
We are grateful for the justice system, and we are very grateful that all the victims in this case hopefully can find some closure with this verdict.
Smith was convicted on 3 other counts, including conspiracy to commit armed robbery, which carries a penalty of up to life in prison, as well as felony gun charges. Sevier said she believes Smith was there the night her husband was shot.
We feel strongly about the evidence, but that's okay. Again, if you follow this case, there are many, many, many victims, and these victims hopefully will get some closure and feel a little safer.
Smith was taken back to jail while he awaits his sentencing on June the 8th. Now, coming up at 5, we'll hear from Judge Berg, who was not in the courtroom today when this verdict was handed down. For the Now Detroit, I'm Dave Llewellyn.
Dave, thank you.